To check your Dell docking station warranty, you first need to locate the service tag. This unique identifier is essential for accessing your warranty information. A service tag is a unique 7-character alphanumeric code assigned to every Dell device. For example, it might look like ABCD123. This code is specific to your docking station. The service tag is located on a white or silver label physically attached to your docking station. Let me show you exactly where to find it. Look for a white or silver label on your docking station, typically located on the back or bottom. The label will have SVC tag clearly marked, followed by your unique code. Here's another example showing the typical placement of these labels on Dell devices. The service tag is clearly visible alongside other device information. If you can't find the service tag, there's an alternative. You can also use the Express Service Code, which is a longer numeric code found on the same label. The Express Service Code is a 10 to 11-digit numeric alternative that works just as well for warranty lookups. It's located on the same label as the service tag. For a digital approach, you can also find your service tag using Dell's Command Update software, which automatically detects your device information. Dell Command Update is free software that can automatically detect your docking station and display the service tag digitally. This is helpful if the physical label is damaged or hard to read. Now you know 3 ways to find your service tag. Check the physical label, use the Express Service Code, or use Dell Command Update software. With this information, you're ready for the next step. Now that you have your service tag, let's walk through the warranty lookup process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Dell's official support website at support.dell.com. Once on the support page, look for the Check Warranty Status button or use the search bar to find warranty information. Enter your 7-character service tag or the 10 to 11-digit Express Service Code in the provided field. The portal will display comprehensive warranty information including purchase date, warranty type such as limited hardware warranty or pro support, expiration date, and available support options. Alternatively, you can use the Dell Support Assist application, which automatically detects your docking station and displays warranty status, or contact Dell Technical Support by phone for immediate assistance available 24/7. With these simple steps, you can quickly access your Dell docking station's warranty information and ensure you have the support coverage you need.